Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about conditional statements in Java. Conditional statements are also known as decision making statements. So decision making statements decide which statement to execute and when. So these decision making statements are based on the conditions they will execute the statements. So if the condition is true, one statements are going to be executed. If the condition is false, another statements are going to be executed. So depends upon the conditions the statements are executed. So that's why these are known as decision making statements or conditional statements. So these are divided into four types: simple if statement, if else statement, if else if ladder, nested if else statement. So let's see one by one. The first one is simple if statement. So in simple if statement, it contain one condition. So this is the syntax. It contain one condition. If the condition is true, then statements are executed. If the condition is false, the statements are not going to be executed. Okay. So I will explain with example. Yes. So here class student. The class name is student and this is the main method. I took two variables, x is equals to 10, y is equals to 9. So next I am checking the condition. So this is the syntax, right? If condition. The condition is x plus y. So x value is 10, y value is 9. So total 19 greater than 20. Is it true? So this is false. So if the condition is true, this statement will be executed. Now this statement will not going to be executed. Why? Because this condition is false. So this is known as simple if. In simple if the condition is true, then statement is executed. If the condition is false, statement is not executed. Okay. The next one is if else statement. So the else it contain two blocks. One is if block and another one is else block. So we know if block. If the condition is true, the if block will be executed. If the condition is false, it contain one more block that is known as else block. So if the condition is false, else block is executed. Okay. So here flower braces are used to represent block. So this is one block and this is one more block. So it executes when the condition is true. It executes when the condition is false. Okay, let's see the example. So same example, x plus y 19 greater than 20. So this condition is false. So that's why without checking any condition, whatever in the else block that will be executed. Okay, x plus y is smaller than 20. 19 is smaller than 20. It will be executed. That is known as if else. If the condition is true, this statement executed. Otherwise, else statement executed without checking any condition. Okay, let's see the next one. If else if ladder. So it is also known as else if ladder. Okay, so it contain number of else ifs. Okay, it contain the if statement followed by multiple else if statements. So we can mention any number of else if conditions here. So first, if condition. If this condition is true, then this statement is executed. If the condition is false, it goes to else. Again, it contains one more condition. If condition 2. If second condition is true, then statement 2 will be executed. Otherwise, it will go to else. If it contain one more condition here, it will check whether the condition is true or false. If it is true, then it will execute the statement when no condition is true. Okay, then it will execute the else part. Okay, it will execute the else part. Executes when all conditions are false. If the all condition and all conditions are false, then it will automatically execute else path. Okay, so let's see the example. So this is the example. Here I value is equals to 20. Okay, if I is equals to 10, 20 equals to 10, is it true? No. It will go to else part. Again it contain one more condition, 20 equals to 15. This is also false. Again it will go to else part. 20 equals to 20. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So it will print I is 20. Then else part is not going to be executed. When else will be executed? When conditions, all conditions are false, then only else part will be executed. Otherwise else part not going to be executed. Then it will print outside if else if. Okay, next one. So this is known as if else if ladder. Next one is nested if statement or nested if else statement. Nested is nothing but if one statement contain one if condition contain another if condition, that is known as nested if. One if else contain another if else, it is known as nested if else statement. Okay, so if the statement contain an if or if else statement inside another if or if else statement, it is known as nested if or if else statement. Okay, so here the condition is if condition. If the condition is true, then statement 1 will be executed. Otherwise it will go to, so it will execute this statement and then it will go to condition 2. If the condition 2 is true, then statement 2 is executed. Okay. If, for example, if the condition 1 is false, automatically it will go to else part. Okay. So here one if contain inside another if statement. If the condition is true, then only it will go to condition true. Condition 2. Otherwise it will go to else part. We can put one more else part here. So we call it as if else statement, nested if else statement. Okay, I hope it is clear. So let me explain with example. Yes, so this is nested if. I took two variables age and weight. So age value is 20, weight value is 80. If age greater than 18, okay. So if age greater than or equals to 18, and one more condition is if weight greater than 50, then only he is eligible to donate blood. Okay. For example, here the age is 20. 20 greater than 18. Is it true? Yes. Next, weight is 80. 80 greater than 50. Is it true? Yes. So then the condition, both conditions are true. Then it will execute. You are eligible to donate blood. For example, I am taking age as 8. Okay. And weight is 80. So here 8 greater than or equals to 18. Is it true? No, it is false. Then this condition is not going to be checked. So the if part is, if the condition is true, then it will go to inside the block. If the condition is false, it will come out of the block. Okay. Next, here I am taking 23 and the weight is some 40. Okay. So here age greater than 18, 23 greater than 18. It is true. Next, weight 40 greater than 50. This condition is false. So these statements are not going to be executed. So this is known as nested if else. One if contain inside another if. Okay. I hope it is clear. So let me execute this program. Yes, I am opening command prompt. D directory, Java folder, Java C. So student dot Java, Java student. Okay. Yes. So x plus y, 10 plus 9, 19 greater than 20. Is it true? No. So that's why it will print x plus y is smaller than 20. So the next one is I value equals to 20. So that's why it will print I is 20. And next one is, so here the condition is false. So that's why it will print nested if only. So I took here 20 and here 80. Okay. So let me save this program and once again compilation. Next run. Okay. So you are eligible to donate blood. Why? Because 8 is greater than, sorry, age is greater than 18, weight is greater than 50. Okay. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.